Hello and welcome back to the Key Vlog. Today I have an extra special delivery. It's from Cerakey. They've sent through some very nice and very interesting ceramic keycap sets. So I ordered the green and white, and they come in these three packages. We got the C set, the B set, and then we should also have the A set in there. So let's go ahead and get these guys unwrapped. Yeah, that's really nice and solid actually. Definitely has that kind of plinky kind of sound to it, even just tapping it there, and it's quite weighty as well, so I think these are going to be very nice. So I've got my spare little switches, so they've sent through some sample switches, but we've also got the keycap puller here. So I'm going to go ahead and replace some of the keycaps on my Leo Bog with these ceramic ones. And luckily the correct color scheme for this board, so I think it should look pretty awesome.